everybody, my name is Toby the Clown Engine, and I'd like to talk to you about my age difference from the other engine. They don't know I'm making this because they think I'm an old grandpa engine, whatever that means. And I have no idea what this thing is that's recording me, or blah blah stuff. But I'm gonna prove it. I am not old grandpa. So you will follow me around Sodor and tell the other engines I am not an old fusspot. So let's go. Recording? Okay. Now shoot. Oh, hello, Toby. Toby Thomas, what is up, dog? What are you talking about? Yo, that hit it down Natford. Ha! Radical. What are you saying? Drop the bass, y'all. Well, Toby, I guess I'll see you later. Percy! I think that worked. Hey, Emily. Hey, Emily, girl. Toby, are you feeling okay? Yeah, sup? Let's hit surfing, bro. Do that, yeah. I'm leaving now. Bye. Yes, it worked again. Hi, Diesel. What's up, bro? Sup? Yeah. What's radical? What? Yeah, let's boogie, dude. Toby, I feel like you have no idea what you're saying. Of course I am. Yo, bro, what up? Toby, I'm leaving now, and you are weird. You are the weirdest engine I've ever met. You're the toppest of the weirdest. And to top it all off, you're an old steam tram. Now leave me alone! Well, I feel like that worked. I'm now the coolest engine on Sodor, and I officially planned it. So props to me. Now I'm gonna surf the waves and blow it all out. Catch you on the flip side, yo. Woo!